Today we're gonna make a sweet and savory pizza, a blueberry pizza. And at the end, to top it all off, we have a surprise ingredient, but you gotta stick around till the end to make sure you like it. Let's start off with the ricotta. Whole can of maple condensed milk from Mr. Martin Picard. Mix this all together. Non-stick pan. We're gonna add some parchment paper on top. For this recipe, you can use pre-made pizza dough. But if you wanna make some pizza dough from scratch, please click the link in the description below, and I have a great video teaching you just how to make it. Spread out the dough. We're gonna add our maple condensed ricotta mixture, some mozzarella, local blueberries. Put the pizza in your oven at 500 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes.